guys, welcome back to another video. We're out at another creek. This time we're trying something new. I have my ultralight setup instead of my medium, but let's see if we can get some smallmouth bass and have a good time. See you there. Got one. Got a big one. Oh! Oh! Yes! Get over here. No! No way. Guys, look at that absolute beauty. That is a chunk of a fish. Beauty. Okay. Alright, there it is. That's our first part. We're gonna try to throw a few lures in there and see if we can get something. Oh, had a bite. Got him. Got him. There you go. Nice largemouth. Oh. Nice. Oh, wow. That is a good one. Here's my largemouth. Let me release him. Oh, something's taking it. Nope. Looked like something was taking it. Yeah, I got one. Got one. Yep. Oh, it's a little guy. Alright guys, there's a little chunky, very nice smallmouth. I'm gonna get a quick picture and then I'll release him. Oh my goodness! Something just slammed it right there. Got him! Whoa! Oh. Little tiny smallmouth. Tiny little guy, very funny. He just slammed that. Amazing. Seems like I've hit the honey hole. There is a lot in here. Oh, had one. Oh! Oh my goodness! Got one. go. Very tiny one. Let's release him.
Yep, right in front of the structure. Yeah, steal it from there.
Oh my goodness.
Got him. Oh, nice. Nice, nice.
Yep, that one's pretty decent. There's a nice one. Got one. Good one.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully it is.
Okay. Whoa, whoa, nice. Okay. Whoa, whoa, nice.
Okay.
That's a good one. Nice.
Okay, it's decent. There we go. Nice one. Got one. Oh. Got him. Got him.
Good job. Oh, he looks good. Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh, we got a good spot here, pal.
Yeah.
Good job. Oh, he's a good one. I'll take that.
Chunky all day.
Yep.
There we go, guys. That is a very nice smallmouth. Slammed that lure, but let's release him. No, that was. Got one. Got one. Is this a it's a walleye? It's a walleye.
Oh, wow, nice.
Oh my goodness. It's a walleye. Oh my goodness. It's a walleye.
Yes, it is.
Oh my goodness. I got my. There's my first walleye ever. I can't believe I caught this fish. It's my first walleye ever. Let's release it. What an amazing fish. Got something big. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Already,
Oh my goodness.
Is
it recording? Does
Yeah,
it
yeah, it's
record?
recording. Oh my gosh.
I have to handle this carefully.